Certainly. Here's the English translation of the Arabic text in your document titled Fahma al-Qur'an, Understanding the Qur'an. _ To understand the Qur'an, we must comprehend the language, and to comprehend the language, we must grasp its roots. Quranic roots with Ayman Abdul Rahim on Rawa. _ Who among us does not wish to understand the noble Qur'an? Who does not seek to reach the intent of Allah Almighty in His magnificent book? The one revealed as guidance for mankind and clear proofs of guidance and criterion? This book contains over 6,000 verses, and its words number more than 44,771 words. So, is there a path to understanding it? When our tongues have diverged, scales have shifted, meanings have changed, and dialects have taken us far apart? Indeed. How many times has a verse been recited to you, and you paused, searching for a meaning you could not grasp? How often did you turn to the books of tafsir, exegesis, seeking help? And how many words seemed distant, until you searched for their root, their derivatives, and what evolved from them, and they became closer and clearer. _ These great words and numerous terms have been traced back to their linguistic roots, which amount to approximately 1,800 roots. With simple analysis, it was found that the 100 most common roots in the Quran make up 67% of its total words. The 200 most frequent roots represent 80% of the Quranic text. Thus, by understanding the meanings of these roots, we draw closer to understanding 80% of the words in this miraculous text. However, given that a word's meaning can change depending on the linguistic context, we will attempt to highlight the central or shared meaning among all the words derived from the same root.